is a temple of knowledge. School empowered our children with the power of education. Education which builds the pillar of our nation. School plays an important role in our society. With this, we welcome you a small glimpse of our school, Om Public School. It would be an honor to introduce our new branch of Om Public School, which is there in Cafe Nagar behind Mukta Residency. The school runs under Kharbe Educational Foundation. We started 3 years back. With an impeccable educational facility, with the help of our well-qualified faculty members, the students reached on the height of success. Motherly care had been given to pre-primary kids by the teacher. The various other facilities like playground, computer lab, smart board facilities, yoga classes, karate classes, dance classes, abacus classes, games activity, and other various teaching aids has been used to educate kids. Apart from that, our school is surrounded with an immense beauty of nature. Our school campus is completely free of pollution with pious atmosphere. We have a sound security system. Kids' safety is our priority. Our school is completely covered with CCTV surveillance with proper pick up and drop facilities. We provide proper bus facility with GPS activation and to update our parents with day-to-day activities regarding school. We provide a complete customized school app which help us to provide a complete transparency with parents. Our school campus is completely neat and clean with the help of our supporting staff. Our classrooms are fully furnished with complete ventilations. So, the wait is over now. Admission opens. Kindly visit our school website for more details. Thank you.
Hi everyone, myself Vijita Sinha, the voice of Om Public School. The focal point for me to start or to come up with Om Public School is I want to nurture the young mind, to produce them as a good human being, rather a good citizen, instead of focusing in manufacturing the machinery's designations. I believe in igniting the intellectual curiosity of mind so that students would raise questions on their own which would not be confined towards in their textbook itself. Here at Om Public School, I kindle the darkness of mind and metamorphose it into the real power, the real victory, the real you. A terrible disability nowadays which I am facing as a principal over here. Like parents over here, they are over possessive, they are over concerned, and they are having too much of expectations. At the end of the day, they just want to see what marks their child has brought back home. I need to say over here that school is not just meant for giving marks. Rather, it's a preparation for much bigger examinations, the examination of life, where they have to face themselves practical problems. That problem requires you and not the theoretical knowledge of your textbook just perhaps. For me, going to bed without dreams and waking up without purpose is the reflection of a confused failure, which can be eradicated by an educated mind only. Over here at Om Public School, my commendable team of entire OPS has played vital role in this magical transformation of our educational tour. This is a source of satisfaction for me. Perhaps I feel a triumph of satisfaction at Om Public School. If you all want to feel the gravity of Om Public, do visit the campus and explore the same. Thank you.
I'm here as the school coordinator, and being a school coordinator, when we choose our faculty to train our children, we ensure that each member of our faculty is really truly passionate towards their profession, and that is what we expect from them. Even with the parents, we maintain a ground level transparency. We try to update them with all the activities, even the classwork, homework, everything on a well-designed app, which was specially designed for our school, where the parents can actually keep a check with our activities. Even I tell them at a regular basis that kindly cross-check us at all the time with the app whether the child is understanding whatever we are teaching or not. With all our efforts, we want each child with us to bloom into his full colors. Thank you.
Good morning all. Myself Prabhakar Karbe. Each one should teach one is my vision. And with this motto, I started Om Public School. Om Public School is not a common school. Never stop learning because life never stop teaching. So come, learn and grow with Om Public School. Thank you.